Yun, what's up mga boss? So today, mag-start tayo ng city tour. So punta tayo sa Toronto Island. Niiwan natin yung sasakyan natin sa parking area. Itong anak ko, tamad. Always may stroller. So tara, samahan nyo kami mag-ikot-ikot dito. So save lang siya sa Statue of Liberty. Before ka makapunta sa Toronto Island, magsakay ka muna ng ferry. Jack Layton Ferry Terminal. I hope wala masyadong, pero sigurado maraming mga tao ngayon.
And 2 kids. Do you want to walk?
Dito pala sila sa subway. Nagpabili si Kuya ng hot choco. Ano yun siya, Kuya? Ano ibili nyo? Coffee. So, nagpabili pala ng kanyang lemonade. Sa Forest. Diba you like Forest?
No.
You like Forest, diba?
No.
You want to ride, Gavin? Sure? Kaya ayaw niya. Ay, ayaw niya! Akala ko siya, parang literal na park na parang lakad-lakad lang. Meron pala mga rides dito.
The first one is the carnival. There.
Saan?
That one.
You want to ride a merry-go-round?
There's somewhere that you can ride the train. You can get past like this. Which one is a kid? Which hold? This one? Or this one?
Hindi ko yung babae.
Gavin!
This one?
You're so cute, Gavin.
Oh.
We'll try to speak Tagalog. Okay?
No. Oh, fine.
Marunong ka ba mag-Tagalog, Gavin?
Yeah.
Okay, test natin ang Tagalog mo, Gavin. Ano ang Tagalog ng eyes?
Mata.
Galing! Ano ang Tagalog ng shoulder?
Hmm?
Shoulder. How about the knee?
Oh, Mommy's back here. He got the ticket. It's here.
Food for 4 tickets is magkasya siya ng $166. What do you want? That one or that one? Oh, I think Gavin's not allowed in there.
Hindi siya kasi may height requirement ko.
Yeah.
Kasi yung single boat.
Yun. Wait,
Saan mo gusto, Gavin?
wait, tignan natin. So, let's go and try this one. Let's try this one, Gavin.
Gavin, try mo, Gavin! Meron pala nitong white height requirement. You're too small, Gavin.
Kids can ride cars.
Yes, I know.
Okay, make a wish first and then...
I wish I got a medal at school.
Okay, very good.
Let's go.
Wow.
Grabe kadami magaganda mga boss. Budget lang ang ano. Next time babalik tayo dyan. Dito kami ngayon sa, di ko lang sure kung old city hall nito ng ano, ng Toronto, this one. Ganda, maraming dito na nag-ano sa tubig para lang makapicture. Napagod yung mga bata, nauwaw, and then nag-request ng drinks. So namin,